Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all viewers are fine. So welcome back to my channel. And so my friends, in this video I'm providing trendy and beautiful long frock designs. All the dresses are so amazing and fabulous. This elegant and flowering attire is often worn during special occasion, religious ceremonies and festive celebrations. The long frock is typically ankle length or even floor length. The characterized by its loose, comfortable fit that allow for easy of movement while excluding in grace and sophistications. The design of a long frock is intricate and meticulous reflection the artistry and craftsmanship of culture is it represents. The garment often features a fitted body that highlight the wearer's with a flared skirt that cascades down from the waist, creating a beautiful flowing effect. The body may be adorned with elaborate embroidery, beadwork, or sequins, often hand stitched with precious and care. These embellishments are typically inspired by traditional motifs and patterns such as floral designs, geometric shapes, and cultural symbols, each telling a story of heritage and traditionals. The fabric choice for a long frock plays a crucial roles in its overall appeal and comforts. Luxurious materials like silk, chiffon, georgette, and satin are commonly used, chosen for their softness, sheen, and ability to drape elegantly. These fabrics not only enhance the visual appeal of the garment but also provide a comfortable and breathable experience for the wearing, making the frock suitable for various climate and settings. Additionally, the color palette of a long frock can vary widely, ranging from vibrant bold hush to soft pastel shades, each selected to suit the occasion and the wearer's personal styles. Sleeves designs in a frock add another layer of intricacy and elegance. They can range from full length fitted sleeves that exude sophistication to bell sleeves or bishop sleeves that added a touch of drama and flair. Some designs feature sheer or semi-sheer sleeves with delicate lace or embroidery, creating a subtle yet striking visual contrast against the solid fabric of the body and skirt. The neckline of a frock can also vary with option which are such a high neckline, scope neck, V-neck or boat neck, each contributing to the garment overall aesthetic and the wearer's comfort and style preference. One of the defining feature of a long frock is its ability to be customized and tailored to fit individual preference and culture. Cultural designs designer often work closely with client to create bespoke pieces that reflect personal taste, culture, heritage, and contemporary fashion trends. This customization can include unique color combination, personalized embroidery pattern, and specific fabric choice, ensuring that each frock is one of a kind masterpiece. Whether worn by brides for culture ceremonies or festive occasion, a long frock remain a symbol of elegance, tradition and timeless beauty cherished across generations. In addition to its traditional and cultural significance, the long frock has evolved to encompass contemporary fashion elements, making it versatile garment suitable for various occasions and styles. Designs today blended traditional technique with modern aesthetic, creating frocks that appeal to a wider audience while still honor their heritage. This fusion of old and new can be seen in innovative use of fabric, color, and cuts, ensuring that the frock remaining relevant in the ever changing world of fashion. So guys, I hope you all love these all dresses, so please share this video with your friends who want these type of dresses. I hope they will love all these dresses. So please friend, like my video and subscribe my channel for new and trendy ideas related to these dresses. See you soon. Allah Hafiz guys, thank you.